Roger's core objective is build an efficient electric propulsion system for the modern age. We're taking all the advantages of an electric motor and using that in redesigning the propulsion system to put the motor round the outside of the rim and to attach the blades at the rim and point them towards a hollow center.
The Halo Drive propulsion system is innovative in a number of fronts. The coil architecture is completely unique and really runs complementary to our fan blade design. And actually the two have a cohesion and synergy that allow us to run a rim-driven concept at high power like no other system is able to run. We're looking actually to provide up to an over 25% efficiency gain, but there are a lot of other gains in terms of the acoustic performance and also in terms of the cooling, the weight of the system. You also, by being direct drive, don't have gearing in the system. Now, gearing is responsible not only for losses, but it is also part of the critical failure chain. So we're actually, in terms of safety, a better option because we're removing number of components, number of moving parts, and number of critical failure components. It means it's easier to maintain, it's easier to inspect, and it also is easier to certify. So the future looks really exciting when we talk about scaling this technology. One of the biggest challenges the industry has at the minute is taking electric motors from a kilowatt level up to a megawatt level, and the increase in power and how you dissipate your losses and your heat is a big thing, and that is really uniquely where our system comes alive.
My name's Duncan Shepherd. I'm the technology manager working on the Halo Drive project. What we're talking about was the development of an entire propulsion system, which is an extremely ambitious thing to try and undertake in the course of an ATEP project, which is only 18 months. They've optimized all the components, managed to actually work through all the fabrication issues, assembled the system, built a test cell, provided all the instrumentation, assembled the entire complete system and run it. It's an absolutely phenomenal achievement.